Something very strange has happened to my YouTube channel in that it's beginning to take off. So yeah, since the new year really, so what is it now, the 12th of January 2026. So I decided to do a little bit of an experiment on the, well, around about New Year's Day, I think it was, by changing the format of the channel and actually including better thumbnails with more catchy titles. So I gave that a go, and that one first experimental video got me, from you wonderful people, it's now at 56,000 views. Now that doesn't happen on my channel. Prior to that I was normally getting between 300 and 500 views per video, and so 56,000 views. Then the next day 2.9 thousand views, which is still somewhat above, well, substantially above what I normally get. Then a 57,000 view video, then 13,000 views, 8.8, 4.7 thousand, 2.8 thousand, 3.8 thousand, 6.5 thousand, 8.4 thousand, 10,000. So it seems that changing the format and the packaging, so the thumbnail and the title to each video and the format of the video had a big impact, from very modest starts, you know, to still modest relative to other van life channels, but from my point of view an amazing increase. So when I say change of format, I just mean that now I answer a little question at the beginning of the video, followed by my usual walks and drives and drone footage, that kind of stuff. So thank you so much. Thank you, my existing subscribers that stuck with me over the years, and for the new subscribers. So around about New Year, it was, I think, 2,800 odd subscribers, and now it's sitting at 6,382. And I normally am gaining several subscribers a day at the moment, which is just amazing. And now, in terms of income from ad revenue, it's still modest, but, you know, I can normally expect 10, 15, maybe £20 a day, or sorry, per video. I normally post up a video per day. It can be it's very flexible. So sometimes if I only get 1,000 views, it's still amazing, I might get £3 for that video. Whereas if I get 15,000 views, I might get £10 for that video. So yeah, it's amazing. Thank you so much. This was just a quick video. Keep watching. Thank you for all your support. It's very much appreciated. Onwards and upwards, I suppose. I'm going to bed. Right, a quick interlude. I really hope you're enjoying my channel, and I get quite a lot of questions. How did you end up living in a car? How do you live in a car? And what are your plans going forward? Well, I've written a book on that subject, Breaking Free, by Cornish van dweller, funnily enough. You can find a link to where to purchase that in the description below this video, and where you'll also find links to my other books, such as this one, oddly enough, which is How to Write a Book on a Smartphone. And this book was actually written on my iPhone Mini 13 using voice to text dictation. And you'll also find this book, Bird Watching Around Ventnor. Link to that in the description below this video, and this one as well, Wildlife Watching Around Ventnor. I've written about 10 books, all of which are linked in the description below this video. Right, let's get back to watching my videos.